Well, you know, so in most of them Hiace bus here nowadays, a diesel engine in them. And what we know about diesel engine, the fuel system is susceptible to water. The modern day Hiace bus here, some of them come with a cartridge filter in them, or if you want to call it diaphragm. So when you look on your dashboard and you see that nice pretty light you come up on it, it tell you say your filter one change, or you can just know say a service you go service it normally. So a normal service you don't change it. So if it's change the filter, you open the passenger door here. So once you open this passenger door now, you know say you have to go lift up the seat. So watch you now. You fly the clip here, and then you fly the other clip. A two clip it come with. So you open that one there. That's a little thing here, you little trouble sometimes. So once you open the clip now, you lift up the seat, and then you have this little thing here right here, so where you have to go fasten the seat pan. See? So you have to just select your desired one because it have like 3 slots in it. Right here, so. More time we in little trouble for fasten still. Alright, so now that it fasten, look down here so now. See the filter housing here beside the battery. So on top of the filter housing, you have a lift pump. That little thing here where you press seat on top of it here, bring it in closer, seat here. And you lift pump that. And then now you have a hose come from the tank right here so for bring in your fuel. See there? You have a clamp hold it, and then you have one left from it to go to the fuel pump. And then if you see that gray thing there down there so, that is the electrical connection, and this is also another electrical connection where gear the reading with a pretty light upon your dashboard. You see that? So you have to fly them here when you are going to take out the filter. So if you take out the filter now, a simple thing, just hold the filter firmly and just pull it. So I actually slow down the video so you can actually see what I'm going. Yes. So once you pull it now, you have some of them where you might have to use a screwdriver or something for assist you. But in this case, so let me show you it again. Watch you now. Let me take off that already. So watch you now. By right, you shouldn't have fly that before. You just hold it and dry it out. Boom. See? Good. So once you hold it and pull it out now, you get a pliers and you take off them clamp there. Just dry down the clamp a little bit down more. Then you hold the hose now and you firmly dry it off. Because you know I brought that something a plastic. See that? Alright, so now that you take off this now, you sometimes if you're not sure which was or which was, you know, with experience we don't know that, you know, but you put them when you go and then you disconnect the little connection here right here. So as I said, them I will get you reading, tell us water in this and water in that, and all these lovely things by your dashboard. So see me have to use a screwdriver you know for just flick off it. As I say, you have to know what you do because you know I broke up nothing plastic and it's expensive a diesel vehicle. Alright. So after you take it off now, you have to still go in at the hose now, the hose in this. So you pull that little ring thing here round it and you take off the top. But look here now. Once you take it off, you realize that the filter dirty could there. A water and dirt that you know. Watch here. Water and dirt. Alright, let me knock out it. Alright, watch how it will knock out and show you now. Watch it, watch it. You see them up there? So that now make your vehicle now start labor, start starve. So you put in your new filter, your new cartridge, the yellow something here where you look at the cartridge. It we attack, the diaphragm. And you change them like a seal business around it. See the black one there, and then you're ready now to put on the top. if you put on back up here, so it have a lift pump on it. So if you put on this, you have to line up some marks. You know, it has some specific arrow, one the right here, so. And you have to line it up with the top piece here. And it has some groove where if you sit down, if you look, you see the groove them right there, so you can pause the video and look good. See it? So once you see it line up now, you have to go squeeze in that and you start run it up. You see me? Once you tighten up and everything, your filter ready to go in. Make sure it's seated properly, give little trouble. Then now, when you put in your first, put on back your electrical connection, because you might not have the space to do it, and then you put it back in the groove. See how easy? See there. And not only because me talk on the through right now make it take so long. So you put on your electrical connection them, and then you look for your hose that come from your gas tanker to your diesel pump and the engine, and you connect them. That one you kind of get a little trouble sometimes, so you have to know what you do. So you connect the two of them, then you get back your pliers. Make sure you connect the two of them first. And then now, you will get back your pliers now for assist you. So you will use your pliers, or if your hand strong enough, you can use it. But you use the pliers and you draw up the ring on it. The ring clamp. So that the one they go over, and then you sort out yourself with that one. Sometimes the clamp kind of turn one different way. And you just hold the clamp again and draw it up on it. So once you do that now, you know the next step where you have to go do. You have to go pump the lift pump now. This is where the lift pump come into play, because you have to go prime back the system. You have to make sure this thing come up good. So after you realize everything sort out, you start prime. So you have to pump that something now till it get tough. You see it look free. So you pump, you pump, you pump, you pump. Yeah, man. So after you feel it start get tough now, you realize you know some fuel in the system. So you test it with your big finger here, so. You can give a couple more little stroke again. You know, and make sure, because if you don't do this, it will do one thing, ear lock or lack of ear, and it's not going to start. And either way you take it, you have to go use this. This is the new way, the conventional way, you bust them one by one. That's how it go. So, your filter change there so. So anyway, see your filter change there, you know, one thing. So, you can just go drive and drive and drive and drive till you can't drive. But here what you do while you drive. Want to hear your comment, you know, want to see your comment, you know. So, tell me something down in the comment. Like the video, share it, and let me know what I want. Give me a subscribe, said way. Until next time, peace out.